All right, now let's look at these sentences. We have puppies are so soft. They look so soft. Let's check for our capitals at the beginning of the sentences. At first, the very beginning of my first sentence, puppies, that should have a capital P. So I'm going to make it a capital P. Puppies are so's not at the beginning of my sentence. I'm going to make that a lowercase s. Puppies are so cute. That's a new sentence. It needs a capital letter. They look so soft. I'll check off my capital letters. Now I'm looking for punctuation. When I finish a sentence, I want you to say, period. Here we go. Puppies are so soft. Period. They look so, I said so soft. Puppies are so cute. Period. They look so soft. Period. Good job. Check off punctuation. Now we're checking for spacing between every word. Puppies are so cute. They look, look does not have a space after it. It needs a space between look and so. We don't want the word to say look so. Look so soft. Check it off. Now let's read to make sure it makes sense. Puppies are so cute. They look so soft. All right, your turn on the next page. Listen to the two sentences and check for capitals at the beginning, punctuation at the end, and spacing in between.